Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to hide chats on WhatsApp using the chat lock feature. If you want to keep your conversations private and hidden, this method works much better than archiving. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now tap and hold on the chat you want to hide. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Now tap on Lock Chat and then tap Continue. Enter your phone's PIN or unlock method to confirm. Once done, the chat will be locked. Now when you open WhatsApp, the locked chats will not appear in your main chat list. To access them, open WhatsApp, there you will see Lock Chats option. Tap on Lock Chats. You will need to enter your PIN to open them. Now if you want to hide even the Lock Chats option, you can enable an extra setting. Open Lock Chats, tap on the three dots and then tap Chat Lock Settings. Here, turn on Hide Lock Chats. Now set a secret code. Once this is enabled, locked chats will not appear even when you swipe down. To find them, tap on the search bar and type your secret code. Only then your hidden chats will appear. So this is how you can hide chats on WhatsApp using Chat Lock. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.